Brad Bisnet with Cole Publishing here, and I'm chatting with Dave from General Pipe. Dave, how are you doing?
I'm doing great.
You mentioned to me on several occasions how well some of your systems at General Pipe Cleaners can work together. Could you elaborate on that a little bit?
Well, a perfect example would be the Flexi-Rooter 100 and any of our camera systems. We actually have the Gen I X-Pod Plus here. Essentially, what's different about the Flexi-Rooter 100 is the very end here, where you have the cutting chain is moving at about 2200 RPM, but the sheath doesn't move at all. If you tried to put a snake and a camera down the same drain, it would just tear up the camera. Okay, it would damage it.
So this really sets, the ability to do this really sets it apart.
Yeah, so you can put both of them down at the same time, which allows you to do a surgical strike.
Okay.
You can put it exactly where you want it and then turn it on. And that saves wear and tear on the flexible shaft, on the sheath, and the cutting head.
So you're going to push this down with the camera at the same time?
Yeah.
What does that look like? Show that to me.
So I would put the camera head about 18 inches or so behind the cutting head.
Behind the cutting head, okay.
So close enough so you can get a good view, but far enough away so that you're not going to be damaged by debris, because it's like putting a weed whacker down the drain. You have it turns this stuff to sawdust, you know. So you're going to be far enough back, but you want to be able to get a good look. So it looks like this. Now ours is really unique in that you can use both hands to do that because you have a foot pedal. Not everybody does. Okay, so just as I'm doing right now, you're pushing it down gently, keeping one eye on the screen to see where you're going. Okay, so you're not going into something that's going to damage either the camera or the flexible shaft. When you get it exactly in position, then you push down on the foot pedal. It takes care of the obstruction. When you're sure it's done, then you go on and inspect the rest of the pipe. So you're probably making a video at that time.
I was just going to ask you, in theory, then you can give the video to the
Give the video to the owner and say, this is what I did. And you can show them in real time how you cleaned out a root system or paper or anything that's obstructing the drain while you're going through with the camera behind it. Okay?
Excellent.
Yeah.
I love the compatibility. Where can somebody go for more information?
Well, you can call 800-245-6200, ask for the Drain Brains, or you can go on our website, drainbrain.com. We got videos, all kinds of information about the use of these machines together.
Awesome. Thanks for the demonstration,
You
Dave.
betcha.
Take care.
Bye.